I'm Mike and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to properly tune a guitar with an electronic guitar tuner. I've been playing for over 40 years and this is the way I do it. And if you do it this way, your guitar will stay tuned much longer, I think. So the first thing I do when I sit down to play my guitar is I sit in my comfortable chair that works for me. I take off my watch because I had hand problems because I wore a wristwatch when I played for a long time. And then I tune my guitar, because if you don't tune your guitar, no matter how hard you try to make something sound good, it will not sound right. So let's get started. First thing is you got to turn it on. And one thing that I like to do on my guitars is I take a pencil and I put a little pencil lead on all the strings right here at the nut. And I think I learned that at one of my very first guitar lessons. I had a cheap guitar, and when I tried to tune it, it would make these squeaking and popping sounds as the strings went across the nut. And you put some pencil lead in there, it'll reduce the friction, and that's especially true on some acoustic guitars for sure. But this makes it also easier to tune. So this tuner is a standard tuning tuner. It's going to be E, A, D, G, B, and E. And I like to start on the lowest string, lowest pitch string, which is on the top of the neck here. And when I touch it, the little counter bar is all the way to this side of the center. So that means that it's a little too low. In order to make it higher, I just turn my tuning gear to where it reaches right there. To where it reaches. I want to reach that note by tightening the string. That always works best for me. Then I'll wiggle that string around a little bit and make sure it stayed there. Right there. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to do my A string. Okay, now I'm going to show you what happens when I make it too high. If you tune it up too much, it'll go above that. And to lower it, you want to turn the tuning gear the other direction. Now, I've already gotten back to the A note where it's supposed to be, but I don't like to go lower to the note. So I'm going to make it a little extra low and then tune it up like this. Nice and slow, I tune the gear right there. Perfect. All right, and I'm gonna bend that string around a little bit. All right, then I'll go down to the next string here, the D string. Do the same thing. All right. All right, let's go to B string here. A little too far, look at that. back it off some. Tighten it up. Right there, good. And my high E string now. Alright, so now I've tuned the entire guitar. I'm going to go back up to my low string and make sure it's a little out. So after you tune your guitar, play a few chords, bend a few strings, and make sure it's still in tune. If you have newer strings, you might have to tune it a lot more frequently. They sound better, there's no doubt about that, but this set of strings on this guitar, I've been on it for a while, so a quick tune, this guitar will stay tuned for hours. So electronic tuners, these have made tuning a guitar so much easier than when I learned guitar in the first place. You can buy these for as low as $5 up to say $20. Some of them are more expensive than that, but you can get a really, really good one for $10 to $20. You can buy them online, Amazon, Guitar Center. All guitar stores these days have electric tuners. They're super, super common and everybody uses them and they make it so much easier. So hope you like this video and I hope it helps you. If you like it, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. So thank you and have a great day.